Victoria Beckham dazzled in a leggy black dress as she left Paris after a successful Fashion Week show, with her family in tow. Holding hands with her stylish daughter, Harper, David Beckham showcased his signature leather look, proving that the Beckham clan knows how to make an exit in style. As they departed the City of Light, all eyes were on this fashionable family and their stunning ensemble choices. On Sunday, Victoria Beckham was the epitome of chic as she showcased her impressive figure in a stunning black dress while leaving Paris with her family. At 50, the designer flaunted her toned legs in a stylish number that featured floaty sleeves and a cinched waist, complemented by heeled boots and a sleek handbag. However, her stony-faced demeanor suggested a whirlwind week filled with hard work and creativity as she prepared for her highly anticipated fashion show. Accompanying Victoria was her leather-clad husband, David Beckham, who exuded casual cool in a black leather jacket and dark trousers. He held hands with their 13-year-old daughter, Harper, who looked effortlessly stylish in a gray jumper and jeans, embodying the sophisticated elegance of her parents. The family's departure from their luxurious hotel came just days after they made a striking entrance at Victoria's Paris Fashion Week show, where Harper led the family in a chic pink satin dress crafted by her fashion designer mother. This bespoke creation showcased Victoria's ability to blend family and fashion seamlessly, as she designed the gown specifically for her daughter, ensuring it was appropriate for Harper's age. David, meanwhile, cut a sharp figure in a navy suit as he supported his wife during her show, demonstrating the family's strong bond and mutual support in their respective careers. The presence of their other children, Cruz and Romeo, added to the ensemble stylishness, with Cruz opting for a retro blue suit and his girlfriend, Jackie Apostle, looking glamorous in a white satin gown from Victoria's collection. Victoria's venture into men's fashion has been met with enthusiasm, especially from her family, as they embrace her designs with flair. Cruz's dapper appearance and Jackie's glamorous look highlighted Victoria's ability to cater to both genders, marking a successful extension of her fashion brand. Even Romeo kept things effortlessly cool, rocking a black leather jacket with coordinating trousers and sunglasses, proving that the Beckham siblings each have their own distinct style while still reflecting their mother's fashion influence. Despite the dreary Parisian weather, the Beckham clan radiated joy as they navigated their way to waiting cars, large umbrellas in hand. David humorously remarked about the challenges of capturing a family photo as they all had to give their approval before he could post it, showcasing their playful family dynamic. Adding to the supportive atmosphere was Victoria's best friend, Eva Longoria, who attended the show looking glamorous, further underscoring the close-knit relationships within Victoria's circle. Earlier in the week, as the excitement built for her spring-summer 2025 line, Victoria was also seen prepping for her show, looking stunning in a black power suit after stepping out braless under a black jacket. With her show starting at 7:30 p.m., she was greeted by enthusiastic fans and was quick to pose for selfies with her son, Romeo, before the event. The entire Beckham family's presence not only emphasized their unwavering support for Victoria but also highlighted their unique ability to merge family life with the glitz and glamour of the fashion world. As the Beckham family departed Paris, they left behind a trail of elegance and style, proving once again that they are a formidable force in both fashion and family. Victoria's successful Fashion Week show showcased not only her talent as a designer but also the unwavering support of her family, who effortlessly complement her journey. With each stylish appearance, the Beckham clan continues to inspire admiration and intrigue, leaving fans eager to see what they will do next. Whether strutting down a runway or navigating life together, one thing is clear: the Beckhams will always be in vogue.